The RACI Matrix, which stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed, helps define roles and responsibilities in the planning phase of a project. To open the template, go to the Define menu and click on RACI Matrix. Click the Launch button to open the template in a new window. The RACI template is very easy to use. It is simply a list of actions or tasks along with the roles or persons who are responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for those actions or tasks. In this example, we will create a RACI matrix for a Lean Six Sigma program deployment, which might look something like this. We start by listing all the roles or individuals who are involved in the left column. These might be executive leadership, deployment champion, project sponsor, black belt, and green belt. Next, we list the actions or tasks along the top row. Lead, identify projects, select projects, execute projects, and monitor projects. Now we can get into the heart of the matrix. Assign the letters R, A, C, or I from the center dropdowns to each role across the listed tasks. The legend below the matrix clarifies what each letter means. Thus, R stands for responsible, or the doer. A stands for accountable, or the buck stops here. C stands for consulted, or the one who provides input. And I stands for informed, or someone who should be informed of changes. We can use this legend to help fill out the matrix as shown here. We can add rows or columns by clicking on the plus buttons between them. To delete a row or column, select the row or column you want to delete and click the delete button, which is displayed above or to the left of the column or row. By clarifying who does what, the RACI matrix preempts problems such as duplication of effort, contradictions, and redundancies. This concludes our tutorial. You can check out more tutorials at www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.